Tokyo, Reuters, Asian shares pushed higher on Tuesday, erasing early modest losses while the euro stood near a three-year peak on rising expectations that the European Central Bank could pare its monetary stimulus. MISIA Euro Trademark S broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan. MIAP J0000 PUS was up 0.4%. U.S. markets were closed for a public holiday on Monday. Australian shares slipped 0.3%, as miners were pressured by weaker Chinese iron ore prices. The Materials and Mining Index. AXMM dropped as much as 0.8%, with mining giants BHP Billiton Ltd, BHP.AX, and Rio Tinto Ltd, RIO.AX, each falling over 1%. Chinese iron ore futures tumbled 2% on Monday, as stockpiles of the steel-making commodity at China Euro Trademark S ports surged to the highest since at least 2004, with weaker steel prices also adding pressure. Ironery / Japan's Nikkei Stock Index. N225 added 0.8% as the yen's recent surge took a breather, with expectations for strong corporate earnings underpinning sentiment. The euro edged up slightly to $1.2261 euro equals, within sight of its Monday high of $1.2296, its loftiest peak since December 2014. The euro blipped higher on Monday and German benchmark bond yields hit session highs after European Central Bank rate setter Ardo Hansen said the central bank could end its bond purchase scheme in one go after September if the economy and inflation develop as expected. Adding to the euro trademark S ascent, data showed the trade surplus in the 19-country euro area rose to its highest level in 8 months, indicating companies were so far weathering the impact of a stronger currency. A euro or ETH markets are going to continue on with this trend, a euro said Stephen Innes, head of trading in Asia Pacific for Oanda in Singapore, referring to the euro trademark S recent gains. The dollar index, which gauges the US currency against a basket of 6 major rivals, wallowed at more than 3-year lows. It was last down 0.5% at 90.541.DXY, after dropping as low as 90.279 on Monday, its deepest nadir since December 2014. Against the yen, the dollar clawed back some lost ground, adding 0.4% to 110.97 JPY equals. It fell as low as 110.32 yen on Monday, which was its weakest level since September 15. Japanese Finance Minister Taro Aso said on Tuesday that he did not see problems with the dollar weakening to around 110.80 yen, but that big swings in currencies would be problematic. A euro or ETH dollar a euro trademark S problems began last week, when investors sold the dollar on expectations that the Bank of Japan might begin to taper its stimulus, a euro said Mitsuo Imezumi, Tokyo-based chief foreign exchange strategist for Daiwa Securities. A euro or ETH then continued as the euro rose on suggestions that the ECB would take further normalization steps, showing how sensitive markets are to perceived signals from central banks, a euro he said. Crude oil prices were mixed after rising to their highest levels since December 2014, helped by the dollar a euro trademark S recent weakness as well as signs that production cuts by OPEC and Russia are tightening supplies. O/R. Brent crude futures LCOC1 were down 25 cents, or 0.3%, at $70.01 a barrel after touching a high of $70.37 a barrel on Monday. U.S. crude futures CLC1 were up 23 cents, or 0.4%, at $64.53 a barrel.